Of efforts to reduce the high importation of tomatoes into Ghana, 2 new tomato varieties have been developed to suit our local conditions. 2 new tomato varieties. As part of efforts to reduce the high importation of tomatoes into Ghana, 2 new tomato varieties have been developed to suit our local conditions and preferences. The varieties Kwabna and Kopia were developed by Agri-Commercial Services and the Crops Research Institute of the Council for Scientific and Industrial Research, CSIR. The project is under the auspices of the World Bank's Food Systems Resilience Project. The government of Norway is supporting the project with about $2 million. A team from the World Bank's project and Ministry of Food and Agriculture paid a monitoring visit to Agri-Commercial Services in the Wenchi municipality of the Bono region, where the new tomato varieties are being cultivated for production of certified seeds.
Tomato is one of Ghana's favorite vegetables, but local production falls short of demand, leading to annual dry season shortages and fluctuating prices. As a result, Ghana imports a lot of tomatoes. To resolve this challenge, the World Bank, through the FSRP, supported the development of the Kwabna and Kopia varieties designed to suit local conditions. A team from the FSRP visited Wenchi, where Agri-Commercial Services, the only licensed certified vegetable seed producer in Ghana, is working under the supervision of MOFA to make certified seeds of the new tomato varieties available to farmers. The officials were briefed and taken around by the Chief Executive of Agri-Commercial Services, Mr. Kwabna Jemfi. 3 acres of Kopia and Kwabna are being cultivated in the open and in greenhouses using drip irrigation. This is expected to yield about 200 kilograms of certified seeds of both Kwabna and Kopia by the end of the year. A representative of FSRP, Dr. Gabriel Owusu, threw more light on the project.
The Norwegian government provided some grant through this project to implement, so that we bridge the gap of the importation of tomatoes, especially during the dry season. So we are supporting the private sector to produce certified seeds for our farmers to go into production.
The Chief Executive of Agri-Commercial Services, Mr. Kwabna Jemfi, disclosed that the development of the varieties took about 11 years and included inputs from the University of Ghana. He made the case for farmers to adopt the new varieties to reduce the importation of tomatoes.
The breeder in South Africa, in Israel, that is producing, he's not thinking of Ghana. He's thinking of his own country and the weather there, or his markets. And so we have gotten our scientists at University of Ghana, WACI, our scientists at CSIR Crops Research Institute to breed varieties for Ghana. And our job is to produce certified seeds for sale to farmers.
The Kopia and Kwabna seeds are expected to be on the market later this year and in subsequent years.
Once it gets wet,